Sorry about that, Pandas. Good morning. Sorry for the late start. Drop those GMs in the chat. Scalp that like button. Sorry about that. I am very sorry. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Sorry for the late start, Pandas. Pandas! I mean, do you believe it? Do you believe it? We got our payouts less than 1 day. And the money's already in my bank account. Top left of your screen, you can see all my accounts are zeroed out at 4,500. I have one account that's at 2,500. Once I got the payout, I opened a new one, so it is what it is. Kevin Matt, good morning. Fifi, good morning. Pablo, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. We're going to continue using TPT, Pandas. I mean, I'm loving TPT right now. My goal this stream is to get that one account that's 2,500 to 4,500. To 4,500. That is my goal today. I need to get that count up to 4,500. And what I'm going to do is, the way I'm going to do so is I'm going to trade one contract. If I get 3 wins, then I'm going to start cranking it. If I get 3 wins, I'm going to start cranking it. We're just rocketing right now to outer space. In this trade. It's a bad signal bar. Late in trend as well. But the uptrend is so strong, I'm going to try here. Risk is small here. Teeny risk. Really small risk here. Not even 10 points. Okay, we lose that trade. Well, I think we lose it. Yep, we lose it. Not even 10 points. All good. I mean, I decided to take it. You know, second entry long. Just gotta try on an uptrend like that. It does fail though. Super small risk. We are. Huh? I see. We're trading only one account right now. As you can see, we're trading one account right now, and it is. We're gonna try to get this account up to 4,500. That's the goal. That is the goal.
2,500 tick trap.
And the way I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trade one contract at a time until we get 3 wins in a row. Not in a row, but I guess 3 win differential is what I'm looking for at the end. I may wait for the first 5-minute candle to break on the 5-minute chart, I guess. Maybe I'll trade aggressively here. If it's a create an OI pattern here, we'll see though. I think all sides going long, you know what I mean? Yeah, let's trade it aggressive. Let's see. If we get a strong bull close above the first 5-minute bar, then maybe I'll go long. I'll go heavy. Actually, you know what? We'll keep it. One contract. We'll keep one contract. All right. Right now, a little bit of shenanigans. Okay, interesting. What a push down. That is not a normal push down. That is a strong push down. Are we just creating a trading range here? The range of the first 5-minute bar, I believe. Oh, it's way over here. See here? What's the low? The low of the first 5-minute bar is 24,028. 24,028. 24,028. Okay, that's it. This is the range of your first 5-minute bar. High 24,067. 24,067. 24.067. That's the range of your first 5-minute bar. Let's see if we can break out. Thinking one more push down here. It looks weird that it doesn't have another push down, but we'll see. Bandas. Farrell, good morning. Bob Stocks, good morning. Spec J, good morning. Today's Whiskey Wednesday, isn't it? Andre Miyamo, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Whiskey Wednesday, but I am on keto currently, so the whiskey is one of the things I miss the most. Keto. It is truly one of the things I miss the most. I'd like to see this rocket up. Ashraf, good morning, Pandas. Panda, have you ever streamed drunk? No way. I've gotten drunk maybe once in my life, and I was like, we ate at like a 3 Michelin, and me, Mrs. Panda. Thanks to you guys for your support. I appreciate it. Mrs. Panda is very thankful for everyone's support here, especially with when you guys use code BBM. I'm telling you, that's that that helps us out a lot, especially with Baby Panda. So if you guys use code BBM, it helps us out a lot. But yeah, we were at like a 3 Michelin, and we did like the wine tasting, and I didn't realize how much wine they give you. And in my mind, I'm like, I gotta drink all this wine. Like, we paid for it. we gotta try. And I ended up drinking just drinking the amount of wine that they give in those tastings is insane. But it was a good time. It was a good time. Good morning. Whiskey doesn't count towards keto. It just skips over. Your body knows. How you gonna deny fans of Whiskey Wednesday? Trust me, Pandas. Whiskey Wednesday has been dead for a long time. I've tried. Whiskey Wednesdays, like I used to do it just to get likes. I wanted to get likes, and and it's fun. A fun way to do it. But it just doesn't work anymore. It's just diminishing returns, you know what I mean? In the beginning, it worked like crazy. But now it's like no one cares. Nobody cares if a panda gets drunk. I think one thing is because you can't see me drink. That's a big thing. You can't really see me drink, so it's kind of like, eh. Where's the fun in that? Big push down here. This is your first 5-minute bar. And the first 15-minute bar is actually very bearish. It's going to be very bearish looking if we open near here. Right? Because you tell me on the 5-minute chart, we open here and we close here. It's going to look very bearish, the 15-minute candle. If we end this 5-minute bearish. I mean, I hope this just flies into outer space. I hope this just goes one direction, but we'll see. I don't know. Too hard to tell right now. I think also with TPT, the nice thing is since you don't have to trade 8 trading days,
2,500.
I have no pressure to trade. Like if I don't want to trade, I don't have to take a trade. I just watch the day go by and not care. Like for TPT, if I only trade those days where I feel like it's just gonna be monster moves, then it might be the best way to trade them. You do have to trade once a week though on TPT. You have to take at least one mic. You have to flip one micro, or else I think they deactivate your pro accounts. I believe that's the case. I could be wrong. We're still within the range of the first 15-minute candle and the first 5-minute candle actually. All right, let's see what happens here. No clue. No clue what's happening. No idea. We'll see. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Bandas. Ready to rock and roll. We took our first trade, second entry long. Get stopped out.
2,500 tick trap.
Okay. I don't know if I can go short here. We got the 2,500 tick chart, 20 EMA, giving us maybe some nice support here. We haven't touched it yet in a while. Could give us nice support here. Who knows? Just waiting. Blew right through the previous all-time high. We're just breaking out now. Oh, second entry short. I mean, I'll try here, whatever. It's an ugly signal, but we got like double key areas here.
Target filled.
Okay, I'll take that. A small little baby scalp. Jeez, not even 10 points. I should have looked for 10 points here. I was just worried that the 2,500 tick chart, 20 EMA was going to act as support. So I'm not sure how far down it's going to go. It was the bottom of the trading range, so. Or bottom of the first 5 minute candle. Lower highs, lower lows. We're still in a downtrend here. See how strong the bulls are here. Okay. Just waiting.
2,500 tick
Just
trap.
waiting, pandas. Just waiting. Ooh, another second entry short coming up our trend line. It's not strong enough for me, but it could be a decent move down. Market trying to figure out where it wants to go. Okay, interesting. Very interesting failing like that. Wow, look at this reversal. Goodness gracious, disgusting. Two strong bull bars. I might even go long here. Just two strong bull bars. I may just go long. What am I thinking, though? What am I actually thinking here? Oh, it's not strong enough for me. Not strong enough for me. There's two bull bars, but not two strong bull bars. I didn't like that little retracement at the end. Let me reload my historical just in case. I've been burned before because of this. Three bull bars in a row. Reloading my historical here. Okay. Maybe looking for new low. Break a trend new low, perhaps. Maybe. We're still within the first 5 minute candle. As long as we're in this trading range, I drew out the range of the first 5 minute candle. As long as we're in this range here, really, you just uncertain, I think. 5 minute traders are still a bit confused, in my opinion here. Lots of overlapping bars. This thing could be shot, but I don't know. This thing could be chopped. I'm not sure, but we're still we're still within the first, right, 5 minute candle. You call it the 5 minute orb. Right, opening range bar. Opening, I think it should be called OBR. Opening bars range. But orb sounds better, I guess. Bub stocks. I've been afraid to trade the 5-minute because of my 50K drawdown. No, it's not. And it's completely reasonable. Actually, it's exactly why you should be afraid. You should be trading micros because of that. If you trade on the 5-minute chart, it'd be hard to pass a fail second entry short here because we're thinking trading range, but I don't know. Do I like the second entry short? Not really. Okay. Lots of overlapping bars. 2,500 tick charts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row, all above the 20 EMA. Like bouncing off, like being supported by the 20 EMA essentially. Not just being above it, but being supported by it. Like we're on it and we're not closing beneath it. Okay. We might not get a setup. Just moves up without us. Fair enough. I wanted to fail second entry short, and I said it would be hard to pass up, but we don't get the setup. We needed it around here. We never got it. Now we're getting it up here. Unsure now. I mean, top of the trading range, but so choppy. Look at all this chop here. Like all this chop. This is yeah. I don't feel confident in anything at the moment. 2,500 tick chart is what it looks like right now. Completely like stuck in this range. Strong bull bar. I guess I'll try. Kicks and giggles here. Are we breaking out with this bar? Whoa! It like snapped real quick. That was wild. Not sure what's happening with that move, but okay. Didn't go very far with the trap. You're supposed to look for a breakout in this situation, but no breakouts given. I'm thinking top of the trading range at least. That's my minimum here. Top of the trading range, and hopefully we can run it for a breakout of some sort. Just trading one contract at a time. Small risk, right? The risk on the 500 tick chart is so small. I don't love it. I don't absolutely love this trade. Could be something though. Could be something. Could be something. I don't know. Feels more sus than anything. Right, we're still just like in this super choppy range here. Area, we'll call it. Okay. I feel like I'm dead here. But if I'm not, I'm going to actually go long again here. Right? Because now they're bouncing off the 20 MA at this point. Perhaps a second entry long. It's getting sus. Getting very suspicious. Very suspicious. I'm not sure what's happening here. We're pretty much stuck. We're not going anywhere, are we? Coming off the 20 MA plus our trend line, heading to a bounce at the bottom of the trading range. Thinking we're getting to the top of the trading range. That's what I'm thinking, pandas, but I'm not entirely sure. Too sure here. Second entry long, maybe. Not sure what's happening here, though. It's very sus. Okay, I think that answers our question. I think we're dead. Yep, we're definitely dead. I think that answers our question pretty clearly. What's happening here? And we're dead. Yep, there it is. Cool. Pandas, I mean, what am I supposed to do here? I have a certain premise. Trading range comes on top of trading range. I think the market might have decided what it wants to do now. Fails to reach the top. Now we're creating this huge bear bar. I think we're breaking to the downside. I may need to jump in just whenever, however I can. Yikes, I need to jump in here, but I'm not sure how to do it. Just go short anywhere, everywhere type situation. Has the market decided what it wants to do? I'm missing the big move down. I don't love this. Don't even like it. Wow, look at that. Such a bull bar. I don't know, pandas. I don't know what the heck is happening. I don't know what the heck is happening right now. Okay. It's such a strong move down. What in the world, pandas? Okay. Feels like entry long, but far away from 20 MA. Waiting for a second entry short or a fails like entry long on the 2500 tick chart or something. Making new lows, lower highs. You gotta love that, pandas. You gotta love that move. You know what? The nice thing is maybe now we have some direction to trade with. I guess the fact that this failed, you know, you saw a strong reversal after this setup failed. I guess that was a lot of people were in this trade and they realized quickly to get out. Bulls or bears just loading up here on every move up here. Every time it moves up, they're just selling it. Interesting. Failed to reach the top of the trading range. And we pushed down. And we're making new lows. And we finally broke the 5 minute, right, the first 5 minute candles range. We finally did it. I don't know. We're going to V-bottom here. Maybe the bulls are waiting for this move down so they can load up to go long. Unsure here. This is absolutely wild at the moment. It's actually insane. We're above the 20 man with 4 strong bull bars in a row here. And we're back in the first 5 minute candles range. Very cool. Breakout retest. Could it be double top here? The breakout retest. Could it be? Could it be that easy? Could trading be that easy? Is it really that easy? We'll find out. Breakout retest. Double top on the retest. A lower high could be interesting here. Bear bar ending near its low. No follow through. But the second entry short could be tempting here, in my opinion. Could be tempting. We don't get it, though. I'm sitting my pause. Could be tempting, though. Micro double top here now. I guess I'll try. What in the world am I doing? What am I doing with my life? I should just wait for my setup, shouldn't I?
2500 tick trap.
I'm just so eager to jump into trade here. What is happening here? Double top at the breakdown retest. Maybe I should have waited for my setup. It's like punish me for not waiting for my setup here. Just wait for the second just short would have been a better idea at this point. Goodness gracious. We do have a strong close outside of the first 5 minute range. Finally. I think. Got 10 seconds, 7 seconds left. At the 5 minute, we're finally out of the range. The 5 minute, hopefully follow through. Trap triggering on the 2500 tick chart could be a strong move down here. Very strong move down, hopefully. Hopefully strong move down. Okay. Made a new low. Made a new low. Just good, I guess. Lower highs, lower lows type situation. Okay. Okay. Strong bear bar. And you know, look, it's folded. Insanely folded here. I guess I'll come out here if it. Just trying to swing these lows. I'm trying to swing these pivots. Okay, struggling to like really make a strong move here. Okay. Struggling to make a strong move here. So I get you short now. So be it. Really struggling to push down here. Lots of reversals, lots of overlapping bars here. I'm fine getting stopped out here for the potential of a really strong move down. But it looks more and more sus as time goes on. Unsure what's happening here. I'll hold, whatever. Just hold me overlapping bars. It's about 50-50 now. Double bottoms. Break this low could be a really good sign for us. Could be a really good sign for us. Give me like a big push down. That's what I'm waiting for. I need like one more pop down. That's what I'm mainly looking for here. One strong pop down. We're not getting it though, right? Instead we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 overlapping bars in a row. Nine overlapping bars in a row. All right, we can stop that. I'm unsure what's happening here. Got 9 overlapping bars in a row. I mean, Panda's like, what can you do? Just like letting it lower every time. 9 overlapping bars in a row. I mean, what else? What else can you do? If it pushes down now, it pushes down. I mean, I'm just trying to protect my profits while maximizing potential of making a huge push down. Instead, it goes 9 bars sideways. To me, that's shenanigans. That's absolute shenanigans here. We're down 100 on these counts. Takes me out, pushes down. It is what it is, man. I don't really care. Sometimes the market just doesn't give it to you. But when you get 9 overlapping bars, you're just going to have to start scratching your head and wondering what's happening. I mean, look at this. It's a slow trickle to the downside. 2 very strong bear bars on the 5-minute chart, though. Like 2 very strong bear bars on the 5-minute chart. Two strong, very strong bear bars on the 5-minute chart. We're down a hundo right now, Panis. I mean, how insane is that? On the 5-minute, two strong bear bars, like very strong, very obvious support that we need to get to. Can't get to it. I mean, I guess at the end, we couldn't reach the top here. We're breaking down. That double top retest. Breakout double top retest. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. So sick. I don't know. I guess it could reverse here, but I mean, it's currently a pretty decent downtrend. So, just waiting. Limit order market. I mean, if you want me to, I can. I can do it. If you really want me to, I can do it. I can limit order market all day if you want me to.
$2,500 tick trap.
Interesting. Interesting. Like I said, shenanigans starting to begin after 9 overlapping bars in a row. You got. Let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 overlapping bars in a row. You know shenanigans when that starts to happen. And you know shenanigans. You get strong breakout bars with no fall that gets folded. You know shenanigans. This is where you sit on your pause pandas or get ready to trade limit orders. Start to get ready to trade limit orders here. Cool. I guess I'll take the second entry long on the 5-minute chart, but it's such a strong push down. I mean, you're thinking one more leg down here, in my opinion. Triangle. Perhaps being created here. Kicks and giggles. For kicks and giggles.
$2,500 tick trap.
For kicks and giggles.
Target filled.
Kicks and giggles. Why not? Trading range. Could be a triangle here. I could try to go heavy. I'll try. Let's go heavy here. Shall we dance? Okay. Never mind. Okay. I'm just very confused. All right, we're pushing down. We're closing. Nope. No closing. Pushing down again. I'm guessing it's going to test a 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. I'm guessing that's what it wants to do. Right? 20 EMA on the 5-minute. I'm guessing it wants to test it. It tested it. Maybe fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. Right. Big gap here. But we're currently on the 20 EMA. Jeez Louise. Can't take this short. It's too far away from 20 EMA. Plus you're on supports on the 5-minute chart. Also a bar reversal. Confusing. Obvious downtrend in my opinion. Don't know. Don't know. Therefore, sitting on my pause. I'm thinking maybe second entry long on the 5-minute chart. Right on the 20 EMA. But it is a strong push down. I'm not going to lie. This is a strong push down. This is a bear trend. Definitely a bear trend right now. Curious to see what happens when this bear trend touches the support. Who am I kidding? This is a strong downtrend. Should I not just join short? Who cares about the support on the 5-minute chart? Who cares about it? Is that what I should be thinking?
2500 tick trap.
5 minutes just on the 20 EMA here. I'm in no rush. I mean, like, I'm pretty much BE today, break even. So I'm just sitting my pause. I'm not sure what's going to happen here. All I know is right now we got lots of overlapping bars here. Lots of overlapping bars here. Lots of overlapping bars here. Basically in a range here. I mean... But notice we're underneath the 20 EMA. This could, completely disregard the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Could totally disregard and smash right through it. Why not? It can still act as support even though it breaks beneath. It can come right back up. So it can actually have a deep push down. Am I looking for a big reversal here? I don't know. I'm like 50-50. Fails second entry short would be hard to pass up, in my opinion. Especially if it's above the 20 MA here. I think it'd be hard to pass up for me. But completely sideways again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 overlapping bars in a row. Jeez Louise. Uh,
2500 tick trap.
at least 4 here. At least 4 contracts here, in my opinion. At least. At least 4 contracts here, in my opinion. Uh-oh. Triggers and just reverses on a dime. That's not good news for me. I don't know. Should I just reverse it? Because it's like... Oh, it looked like such a good reversal setup here. At least the top of this trading range. We got a lot of things above it. Oh, boy. That's not good. Second entry short now. Looking like a good second entry short here. Coming up for trend line and 20 MA. Oh, boy. I'm dead. But I gotta shoot for the stars here. I gotta shoot for the stars. I'm dead. It's all good. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Almost died on that trade. We're shooting for the stars. We are shooting for the stars.
2500 tick trap.
Whoa, we're dead. This is tough to hold. This is really tough to hold. Holding we are. Thoughts and prayers, pandas. Thoughts and prayers here. At a certain point in time, bulls or bears are going to feel very confident on this trade. I don't think this is it. I think we're dead here. Darn it. All good. I tried. I tried to shoot my shot. What can I say? I tried to shoot my shot here. I tried to shoot my shot. I try to shoot my shot. You can't blame me for trying. You can't blame me for trying, pandas. Try to shoot my shot. Huh? 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 Huh?
2500 tick trap.
Huh? Huh? What's happening here? Oh boy. Oh boy. Pandas. Oh, that's not good. I thought it was time to party. I surely thought it was time to party, pandas. I thought it was time to party. I thought it was time to party, pandas.
Five-minute trap.
Wow. I thought it was time to party, but I guess not. I thought it was time to party, but I guess not. We tried. We tried to shoot our shot. We surely tried to shoot our shot here, pandas. We surely did try. Wow, pandas, this is tough. It's tough to hold this, but I won't be shaken. I will not be shaken, pandas. I will not be shaken. Oh my gosh. What is happening here? What's actually happening here? I will not be shaken, pandas. I will not be shaken. I will not be shaken, pandas. No, sirree. I will not be shaken. Even if there's 5 bajillion overlapping bars in a row, I will not be shaken. Oh, it's trying to shake me. Pandas, don't get me wrong. It's trying to shake me off. Don't get me wrong, pandas. Like, this is definitely trying to shake me off. And I'm about to get shook. I'm about to get shook here. Like, this is definitely trying to shake me off, and I'm about to get shook. I'm about to get shook off here. I'm very close about getting shook off. Whoa. I don't know if I can survive this push down, pandas. I don't know if I can survive this push down. This one's tough. Oh my goodness. I will not be shaken. Pandas, I will not be shaken. I will not be shaken. Pandas. I will not be shaken. Oh my goodness. Pandas. Oh. Oh, I'm dead. I tried. Pandas, I really tried, and I was not going to be shaken. And shooketh I was not. I just took it on the chin like a real panda. Like a real panda would. I mean, it triggered a second entry long on the 5-minute chart off the 20 MA. It triggered the OI pattern. And, my stop loss is basically on the other side of this OI pattern. It is what it is. Triggers the failed second entry long on the 5-minute chart. Panda's like, I gotta try there. I gotta try and let it cook. This had potential to come all the way back up to the top here. So, let that cook. Down 1,000, not the worst case scenario in that situation. I mean, we had a lot of things going for us there, Pandas. Just did not work out today for us. Pandas. Like, we had a lot of things going for us. Today's just not the day. Today's just not the day. Big
5-minute trap.
Most likely filling the gaps beneath now. Most likely filling the gaps beneath. Like, it should have really popped up there because it didn't. Now we're going to reverse hard, I think. We're going to reverse real hard here. Gotta love it. You gotta love it, Pandas. You gotta love it. I tried. I really did try. I sure did try. I let it cook as long as I basically let it stop me out. It is what it is. I got stopped out. There's no much more I can do than that. I got stopped out, and that's just the end of it. Nothing else to try there. That's it. You get stopped out. You move on. Next trade. Goodness gracious, pandas. Goodness gracious, pandas. You know what I mean? I guess it so obviously wants to fill the gap. At this point, wants to so obviously fill the gap here. I try, pandas. I try. Can you fault me for trying? Can you really fault me for trying there? Okay. Second entry short forming here. Close to these key areas. I've been bamboozled in situations like this, so pandas. Whoa! All right. All right. Filling the gap here. Just huge move down. Huge move down. Testing the previous day's high. Second entries are hard to come by. I'll tell you that much. Second entries are hard to come by. Very rare actually to get second entries. Mostly you get first entries. Actually, your first entries work a lot here. Okay, lower high. Jeez Louise. Goodness gracious. Like, a failed second entry long here above the 20 MA. It's not even something I'll take, but it's pushing down hard. Micro double bottom here off the previous day's high. Big push down out of nowhere. You gotta love that. Big push down out of nowhere. You gotta love that. You gotta absolutely love that one. You gotta absolutely love that one. Okay. Jeez. Snaps back up. I don't know. What do you think, Pandas? What do you think? Should we just go short? Should we look to go short now, or look for a reversal at this point? Don't know. Substance. Yeah, we're jumping to TPT accounts. We got like massive payout yesterday. Right now, I'm trying to get this 5th account up to par with my other accounts. And it's proving to be difficult today. I really tried, pandas. I really did try. Like, trust me, I tried. I really tried. I guess all of this here was just the bears loading up. Bears are just loading up, just like here. Loaded up to go short. Loaded up here to go short. Couple strong bull bars on the 500 tick chart. Lots of overlapping bars, right? This is like, you know, really frustrating price action here, in my opinion. Very frustrating price action. It's like all of these circles, like most of the day today has been frustrating price action. These big circles showing like intense chop.
2500 tick trap.
Like 10 or more bars of chop. It's actually crazy. Still bearish here. Big bear bar, any on its low. A little bit of follow through. I mean, I guess I'll wait for my second entry short if we get one. No second entry shorts to be had. First entries work. So sick. Right, pretty big pullback. A lot of people taking profits here. In my opinion, that's what this price action is revealing. People taking profits, but it comes right back down. So, you know, there's strong bears still. And maybe those strong bears
2500 tick trap.
here. They say, okay, let's try again, making a double bottom. Or bears who sold here now come out break even. Wild price action. I don't like it at all. I really don't like it at all. We definitely had a strong move down, but man, with lots of chop on the way down, it's actually crazy. Big bull bars getting folded. Big bear bars getting folded. Okay. Okay. Okay, higher low setting up here. Do I look for a second entry short is the question. At this point, I don't know. Late in trend. Now it's getting sideways. Still beneath the 20 EMA, which is nice if you're trying to go short. Decent push down right here. Just unsure what to do though. Still unsure. Triangle created here. I got an OI pattern on the 2500 tick chart. Making this second entry short difficult to take. Another bear bar on the 5-minute chart.
2500 tick trap.
I guess I'll try. Doesn't go very far. Has a very initial strong move, but doesn't go very far after that. be a big reversal here. Unfortunate. Lose that trade too. Had a very strong move initially and then just reverses right back up. I mean, we're completely chopping now. I just don't know, Pandas. Very difficult to figure out what's going to happen here. Go short again. Higher low here. It's absolutely wild right now. It's price action. The 2500 tick chart is a trip. It's a IOIO pattern. Huh. Okay. Higher low. No clue. No clue. I mean, it still feels sort of bearish on the higher time frames, especially. Clearly beneath the 20 EMAs, but we're gonna shoot for the stars one more time here. Shooting for the stars.
Five-minute trap.
That doesn't look good. This does not look good for shooting for the stars. This does not look good for shooting for the stars. What was I thinking? Why would I try to shoot for the stars right here? Terrible place to shoot for the stars. We just came off of support. I just took the fails like I just short. I'm trying something here. Oh, what a terrible place to shoot for the stars. Terrible. 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row. Terrible signal bar. What was I thinking, Pandas? Dumb trade. I'm getting confused. I'm getting desperate here. Dumb trade. Very dumb trade. Stupid trade, in my opinion. Very stupid trade. Most likely dead here. It's all good. If I die, I die.
2500 tick trap.
If I get hit. Move on. Our lives continue on, you know what I mean? Whoa, $335 left on these accounts. I might as well shoot for the stars. What do I have to lose? Woo! Snaps down. Snap back up. You snap down, snap back up.
Five-minute trap.
I mean, I could try to keep. Yeah, I'll go one contract. We need a little buffer here. We need like a little buffer here. Hmm. Shenanigans. I'm glad my other accounts are like protected. We just have this one account that is just being a little obnoxious here right now. Double bottom off of this. Okay. Interesting. Completely ranging at the moment. Like completely ranging at the moment. Yuck. Look at this. Yuck. Disgusting, pandas. This is vile. Absolutely vile. The convention says I mean, we just wait. We got nothing. We got no setups here. We are still we got $335. I mean, that's enough for a scalp here. If I can gain a little bit of buffer here. The problem is I just don't have any setups. I don't have anything I can work with due to this price action being absolute trash lord. It's being a trash lord right now. Absolute trash lord price action. What in the world is happening? I'm glad I'm only trading this one account. I felt like today was gonna be trash lord. Whoo! This is pretty nasty stuff. Pretty nasty price action.
Five-minute trap.
Wowee. I thought it was starting to act as support. Golly, look at this. Bull bar ending on its high gets folded. Bear bar ending on its low gets folded. 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 minutes of absolute trash. Huh. Bub sucks down. Only 645 doing better than me. Wow, this trash lord price action is seriously trash lord here. Time to break down. It's had its chance. Surely did, diddly did do have its chance here. We'll try. We'll try mega here. How about that? Yikes. Nope. No chance. Fills the gap here. It's about to fill the gap. Fills a gap without me. I have no setup to it. Straight down to it. No setup to it. I could just sell here. A gap fills. No setup to the gap fill, but the gap does fill. So sick. Question is, are we going to bounce off the gap now? The question is, are we going to fill? Are we going to bounce off the gap?
2,500
This
tick trap.
exactly looks like yesterday, to be honest. Well, we had the same fate. Right, 5 minute fills the gap here. Exact same thing happened here, right? Huge gap up, fills a gap, and rips off of it. Huge gap up, fills a gap, and 2 days in a row, we're going to bounce off of it, or we're going to just go right through it. Continue the downtrend. Who knows? Okay. It's like I just short forming here. I'll try one more time. I'll try with all of them, actually. I think if we get the setup that I want here, I want to try with all. If we get the setup that I want here, I think I'll try with all. Feels like I just short. If we get it here, I will try with all. All my counts. We'll go heavy. Falcon heavy here. Let's do it. Unfortunately, we're not getting any type of setup to take the balance off the gap fill. We don't get the fail second entry short. You might get it here. Basically A top, maybe B bottom here. Might get it here. Who knows? Might get it here. I don't know. I simply have no clue. Be nice if we get it. So at least we have an opportunity here. Oh, eye pattern. So sick. Okay, let's break to the downside. I mean, this is as any. This is as good as any other opportunity here. We'll try. I don't feel too good about it, but we'll try here. Oh, we lost that account. Happened so quick. Okay, we lost both. Yeah, that's as good as any other opportunity in my opinion. We got to try there. It's pushing down. Jeez Louise. What in the world is this? Nasty price action. Oh gosh. Gonna do some. One more try. Second entry long here. Here we go. Small risk. Huge potential. Big reward here. Almost want to take with the full 15 here. In this trade. I think I gotta hold it. I don't think I can come out break even on this trade. I gotta just let it cook, no? I gotta lose the trade. Either I lose it or win it. Come to the top of the trading range at least. I don't think I can come out break even on this trade. We lose. We're dead. I tried. Risk is small. This is why I tried to get back to the top of the trading range. I think I'll just hold. I'll die here. It's okay. I don't die. My counts are still alive. It's just gonna be a huge blow on them. But I think this setup is as good as any other setup now. I don't know. I just gotta try here, in my opinion. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, and move on with our lives. But I gotta try here, in my opinion. I gotta try something. Gotta try here. If this triggers, I may come up break even, especially if it's a strong bull bar. I might move to break even here. I don't think the market will allow me to do it, though. I don't think the market will allow me to come up break even on this trade. Or take my risk off. I don't think the market will allow me. I don't think the market will allow me. I think I have to hold the whole risk the whole time. That might be the case, yeah. I have to hold the risk the whole time. Pandas, I'm holding the risk the whole time. We're going to try here. Decent push up. Okay, maybe now I can take my risk off. Let's see if we get something beautiful here. Hopefully top of the trading range minimum here. That's what I'm wanting. We'll hold. Decently strong bull bar, I think.
$2,500 tick trap.
Yeah. It might be one of those trades I cannot take my risk off. If I really want it, I gotta hold the risk the whole time. Pushing up. Pandas!
Target filled.
Pandas! Pandas! We got runners! Oh no, what is this? I saw this huge bull bar. I was like, this is it, pandas. This is it. We got half of our contracts as runners. I don't think they're going to go very far. No, they're not going to go very far, are they? That's it. That was my move. That was it. That's it. I mean, whatever. Runners, will they run? Is this it? I doubt it. Highly doubt it. But pandas can dream. Pandas can surely dream here. We absolutely have some runners right now. We absolutely have some runners right now. I'll just let my runners run. Let's see what happens. I doubt anything will happen here, but we got to try, right? We have to try at least. To at least try a little bit here. Give it a chance to cook, you know what I mean? Give it a chance to cook, you know what I mean? Just a little bit. Oh, I mean, if we trigger this fail signature short, this could be quite an
2,500
opportunity
tick
here.
trap.
Ooh. It's having a hard time breaking previous candles high, though. I'll tell you that much. Having a hard time breaking previous candles high. Really having a hard time breaking previous candles high here. Pandas. 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 Oh. Pandas. Pandas. Don't forget, this is all profit. Like, this is profit we can withdraw from. Oh my goodness. This is not going anywhere. It's having a really hard time pushing. I'm dead. Whatever. I tried. I tried to let it cook. It's not cooking though. It's going nowhere. It's getting overcooked. It's definitely getting overcooked here. I'll protect some profits
5-minute
here.
trap.
I'll take some. I'm up 1,000. Right, 1,000. That's $4,000 today. Goodness gracious, pandas! Like, we had some hope with this push up. I'm just looking at the higher time frames. It's just not looking too hot for us. It's not looking pretty at all. The higher time frames cannot get above the 20 MA. No, did I come out too early? Oh, pandas. Did I just come out too early on that trade? Pandas, like, we broke the previous pivot. We made this like expanding pattern. I just didn't want to see what happens. I just wanted to at least make $1,000 today. You know what I mean? Did I come out too early? Almost want this to reverse back down now. Goodness gracious. I let this cook for so long, but just could not make the move. We're just stuck in a trading range at the end. Wowzers, pandas. I mean, that was quite a ride. That was quite a ride. I mean, we're up 4K. We lost one account, but up 4K. It's all good. It's all good. I'll take it. I'll take it today. I'll take it. I'll take whatever we can get. Whatever we can get. Jeez Louise. I think that's all we're getting today, no? Otherwise, it's just choppity chop chop rest of the day.
5-minute trap.
Right? Having a hard time breaking above the 20 MA, but look at this chart.
2,500 tick
it.
trap.
It's disgusting. It's filthy, pandas. I'm telling you, this chart is filthy. Yeesh. Like, hard time breaking above 20 MA, but also creating all these like tails underneath the candle and just like closing above the previous candle's high or previous day's high, like every single candle. It's quite insane in my opinion right now. What's happening here. Okay. I think I made the right choice here. Second entry long. Second entry long. Wow, pops down. Okay, second entry long here. Hoo-wee. Do I let second entry long? I mean, it takes you out break even, essentially right here on that trade. I mean, I just feel like we're in a trading range. I feel like I can't take any setups in this mess. This is like really messy looking. Second entry long, but in the middle of a trading range currently. But retest this area as well. Okay. Feels like I just short on the 2500 tick chart, but it looks weird. It looks like a really strong downtrend still. Like this still looks like a really strong downtrend. It actually looks like a strong downtrend still. Okay, yeah, that makes more sense. Still looks like a strong downtrend in my opinion. Wow, this is wild. So sick. So sick here. This looks still bearish to me. This 2500 tick chart looks so bearish to me still. Like incredibly bearish. But looks can be deceiving. But honestly, this looks as bearish as you can get.
$2,500 tick trap.
Okay. Alright. Pushes down to the bottom of the trading range. Do I have the cojones to go long here? I do not. I do not have the cojones to go long because we are clearly having a hard time breaking above 20 MA. Clearly. And we're making actually lower highs as well. Like this high actually didn't get to this high. Glad I actually skunked this trade. Got some profits. It is what it is. I'm happy about it. I managed exactly how I was supposed to manage it. Wow, but pandas, that's just sick. That's sick. I will not be going long at the bottom of this trading range. For the potential of this breaking to the downside very hard. We're at 1,000. I should be happy today now. $4K still on the 1 million a year plan. Yeah, it's true. If you want to make $1 million on the take profit accounts, you need to make $4,000 per day across all your accounts. Right, 4,000 times 250. So somehow, whatever it is, you gotta make 4,000. This is, like I said, it still looked very bearish, and we are pushing down right now. One thing that prevented me from just going short was all these wicks really closing above here. Double bottom, perhaps. I don't think this is a double bottom, to be honest. But we did have a lot of consolidation here. Super strong bear bar, ending on its low on the 2500 tick chart. Is it currently getting folded? Yes, it is. It is getting folded on the 2500 tick chart. It's getting mega folded. Yikes. 2500 takes a strong bear bar. Ending on its low. Getting mega folded here. Oh, okay. Lower high. Okay. Alright. Well, how was I supposed to know? It was getting mega folded. Jeez. So hard to trade this. What am I looking for, Pan? It's like, what do I want here? We made the new low. Are we satisfied now with the downtrend? I don't think so. This daily chart looks wild. All right, so be it. View one says, I could have gotten more had I exited, but nah. I did exit my core position. And had runners. So runners, you got to let them run. I'm not going to, if this is a major trend reversal, I'm not going to just be happy with this. I want way more. Right? Because if they work out, they have to work out very strong for you. Because you lose them more than you win. So when you do win, you got to win large. You got to win really big. Okay, lower high. Looks good enough for me to go short. The lower high. Good signal bar. If it comes back up at this point, looking for the second inch short. Most likely break this low to reset the counts. Just what's new. Okay, second inch short. It's far away from 20 MA, but I'll try. Seems like the market's made its decision what it wants to do. Also bar reversal. If this takes me out, I'm done. Like, I mean, what does this market want to do? Like, if this takes me out, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. This market's too confusing for me. It's way too confusing for me. If it takes me out, I'm done. But otherwise, pandas, this is way too confusing for me. Like, overlapping bar after overlapping bar after overlapping bar. Like, whoa, how do you trade this? Like, can we just choose a direction, please, one time? Like, we're already breaking down now. Like, what's stopping you from, like, continuing to go down? It's just overlapping. Give me, I mean, if you trigger this for me, please. And we don't get triggered. I don't know. This is probably reverse back up now. Can we trigger it? Jeez. What is this nonsense? This is so stupid. Actually so stupid. What am I looking at here? What am I looking at? What's happening here? What am I actually dealing with here right now? Okay. Can't make a one-to-one. I can't make a one-to-one before taking me out. Like, give me a one-to-one at least before retracing all the way back up one time. Give me at least a one-to-one on this trade. I guess it does give me a one-to-one, whatever. Come out break even because I have no clue what's happening here. Hey, if you want to give me more, I'll take it. If you want to give me more, I'll take it. If you want to give me more, I'll take it. Strong bear bar ending on its low 5-minute chart. Absolute no follow through. Just gets folded again. What is this? What are we dealing with here? What are we actually dealing with here, pandas? Like, I don't even know. What are we dealing with here, pandas? What are we doing here? Like, what is this? What are we doing here, pandas? Like, what are we doing here, pandas? Like, bear bar ending on low, like no fault. Pandas, like, what are we doing here? Just retraces all the pandas. Like, what are we doing? 2,500 tick chart. Every single bar is overlapping each other. Like, what's going on, pandas? Like, why are we? What is this? Every single bar is overlapping. Pandas, like, I don't know. Whatever. I don't care. We're up 1K today. We're up 4K today. I mean, I saw this bear bar on the 5-minute chart ending on its low. I was like, all right, let's get some fall. Let's get some real follow through. Let's get always in short going on. Nothing happens. Just gets folded.
2,500 tick trap.
Every single day. Pushing down now. Strong bear bar ending on its low. And first entry. So good luck. Good luck. Now we're pushing down. After this like random move back up. Now we're gonna push down. Now we're gonna get followed through. This is so pointless. So dumb. So dumb. Now we get followed through. After it's just pointless retracements here. Oh!
2,500 tick trap.
Just why? Why, pandas? Like, what's the why? Just why? Now we get the follow through, but why? Like, why? It's just so stupid. He likes to kiss the 20 EMA. You're absolutely right. Maybe let's just keep going short off the 20 EMA at this point. Actually, not a bad idea. Seriously. Super big push down here. Super big push down. I mean, are we just in a bear trend day today? Look at the daily chart. Just looks silly. Looks silly. Now the candles like just look so small.
Target filled.
Whoopie-doo. Whoopie-doo. I got a second too short, like less than 10 points. How many points is that? 6-point trade. Whoopie-doo. So sick. It's price action. Quick question. Do you have to use the break new extreme rule? Do you have to use it? You don't have to do anything. This PA does suck. Lots of overlapping bars. Very small movements. Very small movements. Still very strong bear trend though. Right? Nothing is saying that this is reversing yet. Lots of bear bars. Though there's a lot of overlapping bars, still lots of bear bars. I'm just wondering when the 5 minutes is going to turn to always in short. Hasn't done so yet. Hasn't done so yet, which is surprising, right? Bulls are still coming in here. I don't know. I don't know what to do here. Three bull bars in a row. Pretty strong bull bars as well. Hmm. Yeah. Interesting. It's quite a strong push up right now. I mean, we got plenty of room to the 20 MA on the higher time frames. I see what's happening. It's gonna come back to the previous day's close. I see what's trying to do. Okay. High or low? Expanding pattern. What kind of? What in tarnation kind of price action is this? What am I looking at here? What in tarnation is this? I'm just gonna let it play out. That's so weird. It's so weird. Bye bye. It's like I never knew ya. So confusing. This price action is just diabolical. And yet I'm still trading. Here I am. Just watching. Big push up. I think it wants to come here, but I have no entries. Hits the top of this channel. Whoa! There it is. Pops up. Doesn't quite touch it though. Gets close, but doesn't quite get there. At this point, it's silly to go long here because I already touched my target, so don't know. No, I don't know what to do. Pretty sure if this triggers, it's going to snap back down. Pretty sure that trigger is going to snap right back down. Okay, doesn't even trigger. Or fly up. The most ridiculous way possible. Here we are. We finally touched my target here, but in the most annoying way possible. Just a slow grind up to it. No entries. No entries, right, to get in there. No entries. So it is what it is. Now we're showing signs of reversal. Strong V bottom on the 2500 tick chart. Getting above the 20 MA. Our first time we basically closed above the 20 MA after the big move down. 5-minute chart. We're still beneath the 20 MA. Still has some work to do if we want to go long. $1.1K is plenty. It's not 1.1K. It's 4.4K. I made 4K today. I mean, that is plenty. You're right. It is plenty. You are right. This second entry long virtually means nothing to me. After a strong move down, you see two strong bull bars like this on the 5-minute chart. The bears are probably getting a little scared now, in my opinion. The bears are probably getting a little scared now, in my opinion. The two bull bars like that in a row. Bears are probably like, all right, let's just take our profits now. Good reason to get out. For me, I'd like to see close above the 20 MA to really start feeling confident we're going to be in an uptrend. Right? Like, we hit a V bottom here. We started getting above the 20 MA. This is when I started going long. When we get above the 20 MA like this. But if we're not above the 20 MA, it's hard to say if we're in an uptrend. Like I said, this second entry long meant nothing to me. It's just floating midair, bouncing off a resistance. Pump asks, why did I change from ES to Nascraq? Well, opportunity. The E-mini was just getting, it's just, if you think the Nascraq is slow, the E-mini is a nightmare. E-mini is actually a nightmare. Funny enough, E-mini actually hasn't tested the previous day's close yet. Hasn't filled a gap on the E-mini. Interesting. Doesn't even test the high. Very interesting. I was not expecting that on the E-mini today. E-mini, wow. I am surprised. I'm actually very surprised about that. Gold is just wild. Gold is just all over the place at the moment. Oil. Oil, eh? The E-mini trap's about to trigger. I mean, this trap could be juicy to go short here. I haven't taken an E-mini trade in so long. Maybe I should try E-mini trade here. It's on the 5-minute, which is like super big risk. Yeah, $300. Okay, feels like entry long triggers on the E-mini. Could fill the gap here. In my opinion, it might be worth trying. Big push back down into our channel here. If this trap fails, pandas, this is gonna launch. This may launch. If this trap fails, it's gonna launch. If this trap fails on the E-mini, if it pushes up above this high before this low, this is gonna come back to the new all-time high. It's gonna come back up here. That's all I gotta say about that. What was it? Ninja Trader looks so neat. I would use Trade Evade. If you're just starting, I would start with Trade Evade. Ninja Trader is nice because you can use the indicator, but otherwise, Trade Evade. Interesting, very interesting here. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Oh. How confusing can you get here? Very confusing. Yikes. Super yikes. This is interesting. This is very interesting here. I mean, the 5 minute is still making lower highs, lower lows. This could be a final flag type situation. Flag for a long time. Big push down and reverses here. The 2 bull bars here, giving a signal that the bulls are starting to get in control. Could be the case.
2500 tick trap.
Yeah, sorry, pandas. I'm like muting on and off here. Okay, that trap fails, which is why I said I didn't love it. Oh, I pattern. Crazy. Oh, I pattern, but 4 overlapping bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. That's 20 minutes of nonsense. Of nonsense. Interesting here. I don't know what is happening here. I don't know what is happening here. I don't know. Interesting. This is typically an extremely bullish event. Extremely bullish event that just triggered here. But with 4 overlapping bars in a row, it makes it less enticing. But micro triple bottom here. You can see that 1, 2, 3 perfect hits. Yeah. All right. Time to blast off. No. Time to blast off. So I'm thinking. The main reason why I had a hard time going long was on the 5-minute chart. We were clearly underneath the 20 MA. Now we're closing above it. That was the main reason why it was hard for me to go long. I still think the market is shenanigans right now. I just don't know. I don't have confidence in any trade at the moment. Usually happens when the market goes very sideways for a very long time. It's just hard for me to get a good feel what's going to happen. If we're starting to break out to the upside, then could be good news for us. All began with the 5-minute 2 bull bars in a row. Bears were like, all right, maybe our time is done here. And bulls are starting to take control. I mean, if the strong bull bar ending on its high above the 20 MA like this, Very good signs. We're starting to reverse strong. Like I said, this is on the 5-minute chart. This triggering is actually a very bullish event that just triggered. Very bullish in my opinion. I was thinking about just going long here, but I was hesitant because of the 4 overlapping bars in a row.
$2,500 tick trap.
Strong bull bar ending near its high on the 5-minute chart. Beautiful. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the EMINI 5-minute. Oh, this has potential to get back to the top here. Don't see why not. We have big news tomorrow, pandas. At 8:30 p.m. Big news. Big news, big news, big news. I want one more trade, but I just don't see it, pandas. I don't see where I can take it. I don't know where the setup is. I don't know if I'm gonna get a setup. We might not get one all day. So on the 5-minute chart in the Nascraq, we only have one close above the 20 EMA after this big move down. We need at least 2 closes above the 20 EMA to even consider always in long trading. Oh. At the end, pandas, this is just one of those snoozers. One of those snoozer days. I'll probably end it at 12, unfortunately, and we probably won't get a setup by then. Super unfortunate, but it is what it is.
2500 tick trap.
Okay. Okay. Hoo-wee. This is so slow. Pure torture here. Okay.
Five-minute trap.
Okay. One more push down, maybe?
Target filled.
I'll take it. That's unfortunate. Not much more than that. I thought we would get a lot more than that. I thought we would make a new low. Okay. Unfortunate. Don't get much more than that. Or do we? Or do we? And no, we don't. Interesting. All right. What did I get? I got 12-point trade. I'll take it. This nonsense price action. I'll take my 12 points. Why not? Why not this one time? I don't know, pandas. Lower high. Could be an okay trade. To me, this just feels like trading range. I don't know. Like all of this big down, big up. Lots of overlapping bars here. I just unsure. The market really wants to do anything here. Decent push down, at least. From the get-go. Will we have any follow-through? I don't know. Too hard to say. No follow-through whatsoever. In fact, reverses quite strongly the other way. Second edge is short forming here. Do I like this second edge short here? I have no clue. Do I actually like this second edge short here? I have no idea. I want to say no because I feel like we're just getting caught by all these pivots down here. Just feels like it's like a web, a bunch of nets catching us like pop, 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 pop. Every time we hit it, we kind of slow down. So it feels like big bear bar ending on low, big bull bar ending on high. Folded, both of them. What's going to happen here though? Second just short. 5 minute. I mean, if this is a bear bar, it might be strong enough for the bears to start jumping in here. If this is a strong bear bar, not strong bear bar. If it's a bear bar of any sort. Okay. This looks wild. This is wild. Still looks kind of like it wants to go down. Still looks like a bear trend to me. Like the 5 minute especially looks like a bear trend. Just never making just lower highs and lower lows every single time. We failed to break this pivot high here and Still pushing down. Feels bearish to me still. Feels and looks bearish to me. I'll try something stupid here. Oh, never mind. Forget that. I thought it'd be always in short the moment that candle closed, but seems to be the opposite. I have no clue why I'm even trying this, but let's dance. That's breakdancing. We're broken everywhere. When I say let's dance, I didn't mean to break dance. I didn't mean to just break every bone in our body. We triggered the outside bar. The inside bar is on 5-minute and a 2500 tick chart, right? It's an OI pattern. We broke to the downside on this. Is why I went short here. Probably get burned. Probably get burned here. Whatever. Fair enough. I tried. And that was the best setup I've had in a while. Like, best setup I had in a while, so I'm just not been complaining for trying, but I should have like skipped it after seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 overlap bars in a row. Just skipped it. I think for me I was gonna end stream, so I was like, let's just do one more trade. End on the bang, you know what I mean? End with a bang here. And when I say bang, I mean like we get banged. We just got banged in the head. What in the world was that? Nonsense. Right, like the 5-minute created the OI pattern, broke to the downside. 2500 tick chart, same thing. So I decided to go short here and put my stop loss on the other side of the inside bar. And of course we get slippage, but I mean, best setup I've seen in a long time, so. Gustavo says, I blew up my first Apex account, was up 5K and 150K funded. I kept shorting and didn't want to accept the meager $300 loss. To be frank, I had broken the 30% consistency rule in contract size. You know, if you did break those things, then usually, I know that's probably a relief for you, but you can actually like just trade 8 days, right? You submit your payout, and you just trade 8 more days after that, with 5 days being $50 or more, and then you probably get your payout. You just have to wait like 2 weeks to get your payout. The Apex cycle is essentially 2 weeks. They say 8 days, but it's really 2 weeks. It's a 2-week cycle. Up 825 on my accounts now. An absolute trash lord price action. So confusing, actually. This is just wild, right? Pure trading range at the moment. Forget the 20 EMA. This is pure trading range. All right, last trade. Either we break even today, or we make some nice bamboo. Here we go. What a push to the downside. Sayonara to this trade. The 5 minute. Just disgusting. But 5 minute clearly underneath the 20 EMA. Like, we cannot get above it very far. Really cannot get above it very far. I mean, impossible trade to take here. I'm just going short. I mean, what in the world? Disgusting. Disgusting, pandas. Disgusting. Price action is just filthy. I mean, I don't like it. I feel, I don't know. I'm waiting for one. I'm literally waiting just for one trade. I can't find anything, pandas. I just cannot find anything here. It's like, it's so ridiculous how long I've been waiting for anything, and nothing's here. No setups. Interesting. I'm gonna end it here. This is just the price action is just too terrible. It's actually so horrendous. So I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what to do here. Yeah, that's Baby Panda. Just excuse, Baby Panda. Absolute filth. I'm about to end it here just cause this is terrible. It's actually terrible. It's really bad price action. It's very slow, low volume. Everything is low EV today. Lower high. With a doji bar, of course. I want to take one more trade today, but I just cannot find it. I cannot find it. All right. Second entry long. I'll probably take a failed second entry long here. If it does trigger. This could blast off. Come back to the previous day's close. Sure, why not? Trading range aside, trading range aside, trading range aside, trading range. Another disgusting OI pattern here. So many overlapping bars in a row. This is really 50-50 here. Actually, super doji bar. I don't know, Panas. What do I do? Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers, please. Here we go. Pretty bearish bar. Okay. I mean, I mean, I mean. Go. Wow. I mean, talk about chop. Talk about choppy. This is definition of choppy here. Since I have no clue, going with 2 contracts. Yeah, that's a wrap. That's a wrap. I mean, seriously, man, it's like, why? What are we supposed to do here? That's a wrap. Like, seriously, so dumb. So dumb every single day, pandas. That's a wrap. I mean, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Just take the hit. I'll make my measly 500 today. That's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Like, completely choppy. Like, it's the most disgusting day today. You know what? Actually, pandas, tomorrow's big news. Maybe I should pretty much expected that today was gonna be just absolute nasty price action. Like, this is disgusting. So disgusting. It's so frustrating. I should have expected it though. I mean, we have big news tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Don't forget. What else? Do we have any other news? I know we have news on Friday. We have 2 news events on Friday, but tomorrow we have one news event, 8:30 a.m. Just make sure you're aware of that. Jeez Louise, disgusting. So disgusting right now. I'm gonna get stopped out here. Whatever. If I don't get stopped out, I don't care as well. Like, I don't care either way. I don't care either way at this point. I truly do not care either way. It's creating an OII pattern on the 5-minute chart. It's disgusting. So disgusting. It triggers, like, it breaks beneath, doesn't go anywhere, just reverses back up. I mean, it's obvious what it's trying to do here. It's gonna fly up. It's gonna fly up. It's obvious. So obvious. Not even fly up. Maybe take me out and come back down. Like, who knows? It's so obvious what it wants to do. It's just shenanigans. It's just so dumb, pandas. I'm so frustrated. OII pattern on the 5-minute chart. So ridiculous. The OII on the 5-minute. How dumb is that, pandas? How insanely stupid is the OII pattern on the 5-minute chart? How insanely stupid is the OI pattern on the 5-minute chart? I'm reversing it, whatever. One last trade. OII, if we break to the upside, I'm gonna just reverse it up. I don't care what happens. I mean, we can OII. I'm gonna get back to like somewhere, some key area. Reversing the OII. OII pattern. At least a 1-to-1, whatever. Maybe a 1-to-1 and then let's see a runner. Let's just see a runner run. I could care less at this point. It's so stupid. I mean, OI pattern, I'm just go long. Whatever. Like, at this point, like, this just doesn't matter. We'll just take the hit. OII pattern, pandas. You kidding me? So stupid. An OII pattern on the 5-minute chart. I look for the 1-to-1. If I die, I die. I could care less. Seriously. Better days ahead. Better days ahead. OII pattern here. If the OII fails, and it's just like it's completely dead. This whole day is chopped. Completely chopped if this OI pattern fails. Bye, pandas. See you tomorrow. As always, have a drink of us. Bye.